Welcome to My Indian Astrology. Today I'll discuss about Brahma Muhurta. So what is the meaning of Brahma Muhurta? Brahma Muhurta means the time of Brahma. This is the most auspicious for meditation, study and spiritual practices. So each Muhurta means 48 minutes. So we divided the whole day, means day plus night, into 30 Muhurtas. So daytime is 15 muhurtas approximately and night time is 15 muhurta approximately. So it becomes total 30 muhurtas. So the duration of Brahma Muhurta starts with 2 muhurtas before sunrise and it lasts for 48 minutes. Let me show you an example. So let's say sunrise is 6 a.m. So now the Brahma Muhurta starts with 6 a.m. minus 1 hour 36 minutes equal to 4:24 a.m. and Brahma Muhurta ends with 4:24 a.m. plus 48 minutes equal to 5:12 a.m. So Brahma Muhurta equal to 4:24 a.m. to 5:12 a.m. Total 48 minutes. Now the most difficult part of this calculation is how to get the sunrise time of a particular place. For that, you can get a help from a website. The website name is timeanddate.com. Just open that website. It will let you in the main page. You can scroll down and you can see that sunrise and sunset. You can click in here or at the above toolbar, go to the sun, moon and space and click on sun calculator and click on it. This leads me to the sunrise and sunset calculator. Now let's say I want to see the sunrise time of Pune, Maharashtra. Now enter the Pune here and click on the search. Click on here. Now just scroll down a little bit. You can see August means current month and year in the given city. The first column shows the month and date. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the date of the month August. And this is the sunrise time. So 1st August sunrise time is 6:12 a.m. of the city Pune. Here you can see the whole month's data. On the 31st August, sunrise time is 6:19 a.m. Now, if you want to see the advanced time, you can little bit scroll up and click on the September month. This will let you to the September month data. Here you can see the October or you can click on the greater than sign for the more month. This is the November month's sunrise data. I think you are clear now. So I am showing you one Brahma Muhurta timetable based on the Kolkata September 2025. So you can create your own timetable like this. The first column is the date of the month and second column is the sunrise time. Third column is the Brahma Muhurta start and end time. You can see all the data in 24-hour format And the last column is showing the calculation. You can omit this calculation. So the astrological significance of the Brahma Muhurta is this Brahma Muhurta time of Saptaguna dominance. In this time, prana is balanced, mind is calm, and this is the time best for mantra, meditation, and learning. Relation with horoscope. This Brahma Muhurta occurs before Lagna rises. So this Brahma Muhurta symbolizes potential manifesting into reality. This Brahma Muhurta ideal for Sankalpa and Mantra Siddhi. So this is the end of the video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notified. Thank you.